Hello everyone, today I want to share you another trick or knowledge that I learned right now. It's a pretty interesting and powerful from my personal experience. What happens like I was looking through the agent, OpenAI agent SDK, and I look at this tool name called file search tool. What happens, it can work with the vector storage for OpenAI back and retrieve things from there. That means we can build up a local rack system very easily without any hard, heavy lifting code from there. OpenAI can help us do a lot of things. I shouldn't say like local rack system because we're not storing the files. If you are familiar with the rack, in order to do that, you need to have your file ready. You need to chunk that. You need to embed that, and then you need to save that into a vector DB. We don't have to have all the thing in our local computer. OpenAI can do it for us. And then with this tool, you can there make this everything even easier. You don't have to write code to do the retrieve, calling their API. You can just call this tool, it'll get a result for you. So let's see how I do it. It's super interesting and uh, fun code. I asked ChatGPT to help me generate this company report. This isn't out of nowhere. ChatGPT made up a name and even the headquarters, the address, everything, even the name, they're all made up. This is not a real thing because I just want to test this RAG system, how it works and what is the result of that. So this is a purely test purpose. I have some financial headlights and executive team, even the names. I have this markdown file ready. Let's see how we do it. So in order to do that, to interact with OpenAI API, you need to have two things. First, you need to create this the vector store. This is how you do that. You just call this vector store create, and this one will return back a vector store ID. This is where I'm going to use. I'll talk about this one later. And then you have your file ready here. This is my file, and I'm going to upload this file to save that. So those here to be, I just want to address this one here. Those two operations are purely individual operations. You don't have, at this point, they don't have to be connected with each other. But after you create your store, upload your file, at this point, you should attaching your uploaded file to the vector store. This is how you do it. I think after this code, they're gonna do the chunking, embedding, and the store to the vector DB. And here where you can save your vector store uh, ID, which will gonna be used later. Imagine you have a lot of files, like hundreds of files. You cannot upload everything into ChatGPT and do the rec from there. It's not gonna work. But if you have this kind of a system, it's gonna work, right? And then coming back to this code itself is very simple. I just have my agent ready. I give a name, very simple instruction, very simple prompt. And here I'm invoking this tool called file search tool, where I'm passing the vector store ID. This is where I get from the upload file steps as you saw from previous step. And then I just simulate a simple chat box thing. I'm not memorizing the the conversation. It's just purely one question after another question. I'm running a simple for loop. So I'm running this agent again and then print out the result for me. Let's see how it goes. Let me spin up this code. Okay, see who is the CEO of the company. I'll do the rag and tell me the answer. See, here is the result. Let's see. CEO here. Yeah. Let's ask another question. What is the company's name? Company's name is this made up company's name. Let's do something more funny. Let's see. What is the total revenue of 2024? What is the Let's do a even harder one. Let's make a sum of that. So what is the oops 2024 and 2023? Okay, A A34 A34.2 A34.2 712.6 712.6. Do the math together. It looks good to me, and yeah, that's how it works. I think this is a pretty simple and powerful. Thanks for watching.